Everyone, it's Christina, Nomadic Stina, and I'm filming this intro from my parents' living room. But I want to take you back to early November 2023 when I spent a marvelous week at RockHoumd State Park. I had gone to the KOKOFEST 2023 meetup at City of Rocks, New Mexico, and it was an amazing meetup, but I'm an introvert and I needed some recovery time. And this campground was not too far away from Deming, New Mexico, as was City of Rocks, just on opposite sides. And I just really enjoyed it. I enjoyed my stay so much, I really didn't even film much. I did take lots of pictures, so I compiled this slideshow. So I hope you enjoy. Rockhoumd State Park is named that for a reason. You literally can go out and gather rocks in this state park. The majority of national and state parks do not allow you to take anything away with you, but in Rockhound, you're actually encouraged to. Now, I'm not a rockhounder, so I did not go out on the trails and search for things, but there are various semi-precious gemstones out there, also just some plain old beautiful rocks. So if you're ever in southwestern New Mexico, near Deming, and if you like rocks, go check out Rockhoumd State Park. You're gonna love it.